Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use app-specific screen sharing on Android 16. Let's begin! As some of you may already know, recently there's been a new beta for Android 16, and with it came few different and new settings. One of which is the ability to record only specific applications. In order to actually use this function, we have to expand our little control center right here and locate screen recording. If you don't have it, you can also click the pencil icon and try to locate the screen recording here in order to add it to your control center. So now, whenever we click Start Recording, we'll be asked if we want to record specific application or the whole screen. As you can see, it even says that when you're recording an app, anything shown or played in that app is recorded. So be careful with things like passwords, payment details, messages, photos, and audio and video. If you ever used the Discord and if you ever shared screen on your Discord, this screen should seem very familiar to you, as the almost one-to-one function can be found there, with the ability to choose the screen itself. If we select the screen, then it would work just like always on previous versions, when it will just record the whole screen, and you can change if we want to record the audio and if you want to show the touches on our screen. However, if we switch to the applications, we won't be able to actually disable or enable showing the touches, but we'll be able to choose if you want to record audio or not. And after we click next, we'll see an app to record. If we will have, something open, because as you can see, I don't have anything open, so let me open the settings, for example, and let me open the, to be honest, I have no idea, let me open the camera, let's say. And now if we would go back to our screen recording, and we select record one app, we hit next. Now we can choose from applications that currently are running in the background, or we can choose from any applications we have on our oops, that was a misclick, or we can choose from every single application on our phone. So for example, if I would go and try to record what's random applications? Well, let's record clock, for example. It would automatically open clock, and as you can see, after 3 seconds, it will automatically record clock and clock only. So, for example, if I will leave this, it shouldn't be recording any of this, because it will only record the clock itself. And of course, in order to stop the recording, we can simply hit stop recording. And now our little recording is done. We can try to see what happens whenever we leave the applications, but as you can see, I think it will just automatically cut the video. Like, there's no black void when you're not inside the application you chose. It will just automatically cut the recording. And lastly, I want to mention that this feature not only will work on the built-in recording, but also on some outside applications too. For example, whenever you in a video call, you will also be able to choose if you want to scroll. I'm sorry, if you want to show a very specific application or your whole screen. But yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.